Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to zoom in Microsoft PowerPoint. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So a few different ways. One way would be to select the View tab, and then you can select the zoom, and you can adjust the zoom level by selecting one of these options, or you can type in a percentage here, and then select OK if you want to make it bigger. You can also use the scroll bar on the bottom to make it bigger as well. And if you want to use the control and then the center scroll wheel on your mouse, you can make it bigger or zoomed in as well, doing it that way. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.